Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we're talking about money orders, and more specifically, I'm going to give you some brief information on how to fill out a money order. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, be sure to stick around to the end of the video. It's not going to be a long one. There's really not a lot of steps involved with this. But how do you fill out a money order once you've purchased it? Well, that's a pretty easy question. One thing you want to know is that there are a lot of different various money order companies out there. So as you can see, I have 3 different types of money orders here. These are probably 3 of the most popular ones. That's Western Union, this is a MoneyGram money order, and then the USPS Postal Service money order. So since they all come from different companies, they have different information you're going to need to fill out, but most of them have the very basic information that matches on all 3 of them. So how do you fill out a money order? Well, there's a couple of key components on all money orders, but one thing you want to know is if you're going to look to buy a money order, you definitely want to fill it out right when you buy it, because if you don't fill out your money order, they're easy to be cashed if you happen to lose it or if somebody steals it from you. So for example, this money order right here that I bought from Western Union, if I were to drop this in the parking lot, whoever picks it up, they can easily write their name there and just take it to the bank to cash it. So again, as soon as you buy these money orders, you may want to go ahead and fill them out as quickly as possible. So all 3 money orders, as you can see, all have this line right here, paid to the order of. That's the first important part of filling out your money order. So you want to put in the name of the person or the name of the company that you're going to be paying. So for example, if I was paying my electricity bill, I would write the electricity company's name right there. That way, if I drop this money order or somebody steals it from me, it's going to be difficult for them to cash it because their name is not the name of the electric company that I'm paying right here. Also, as you can see on all 3 of these money orders, they all ask for your address. And the reason for that is because, once again, if you happen to lose your money order and some kind person picks it up, they're going to know who to mail the money order back to. So again, this is going to be the purchaser's address right here. They're also asking for it right here on this MoneyGram money order, and then also on the US Postal Service money order, looking for the purchaser's address. So you are the purchaser of the money order since you're the one that purchased it from the store. Next, a lot of times the money orders will ask for you to sign the front of the money order. You do not want to sign the back of the money order. The back signature is for whoever you give the money order to. But as you can see here on the MoneyGram money order, you do need to sign right here, which is purchaser, signer for drawer. So you'll want to sign your name right there. Also on the Western Union money order, you can see that there's a signature line right here for you on the bottom right. But for some reason on the post office money order, it does not call for your signature, so you do not need to put that there. So that's basically the key functions of filling out a money order here. Also, what I like to do is for every money order that I send out, I usually make a note of what I'm buying or what I'm paying for. That way, if I need to recall the money order, I'll know exactly what it was for. So for example, if I was buying a pair of 1995 Nike Air Jordans, I would make a note right here on the post office money order right here under memo. So I would put Nike Jordans. But some money orders don't give you a place to put that, but it's usually okay if you just write in a small note. So for this one right here on the MoneyGram, I'd usually write down here underneath, just very small Nike Jordan. Same thing here on the Western Union money order. I would just look for a blank spot on the check, so I would write it down here. So that's how you fill out the money order on the front. Now on the back of each money order, usually not much you're going to fill out. So all of the money orders always come with a customer's receipt, so you'll want to go ahead and rip that off and keep it for your records. You can fill this out just to help you remind yourself what you paid for. But on the check portion of it, on all of the money orders, there is a signature line and you do not want to sign that. So let me flip these over and show you what that looks like. So as you can see right here on all 3 money orders, there's an endorse line right there. Now this is for the payee, not the purchaser. So do not sign this back line. This is only for the person who's receiving the money order. So that's the easiest way I know how to fill out a money order. If you happen to know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. But hopefully you found this video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.